Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial. So guys, today we are talking about add to feature on Facebook. So what is this? Most of people don't know about this. As you can see over here, add to feature. So what is this? If you guys don't know, so I'm gonna explain you. Just click on this. So guys, you can upload 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos. Just click on that one photo. So if you want to upload from right over here in your what you upload by your computer, whatever photo you like, just hit open. As you can see, I will just upload one because this will look cool, and hit over here save. So as you guys can see over here, this one looks really cool. Like this one is holding this all the things. So guys, that's what I want to show you in this quick video. So guys, if you enjoy and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you want to say anything else, so let me know. And guys, see you next time. Peace out. Bye friends. So follow me on my all the social media. Bye.